We have 7 exercises ranging from 30 to 40 seconds. Placing our knees on the mat with our arms extended in front of us, let's sit back on our heels, similar to child's pose. Then we're going to lower our chest and bring one hand to the back of our head, twist our torso, raising that elbow up toward the ceiling. Then we're going to return that hand back to the mat, bring the other hand behind our head, and twist. Now we're going to stay on our knees and come down onto our elbows, crossing our arms in front of us. Then we're going to raise one elbow as high as we can, rotating towards the ceiling. Straighten that arm out, lower back down to the starting position, and then repeat on the other side. Time to do squat reaches. Let's come into a nice deep squat. Then we're going to reach one arm overhead to our opposite side, feeling that stretch. Lower that arm down and then repeat on the other side. Next, we have opener circles, where we're going to extend our right arm in front of us as far as we can, and then reach and draw a big circle overhead as we sit back towards our heels. Let's repeat this with our left arm. Now we're going to lay on our right side with our knees bent and our left arm extended. Then we're going to take our right hand and extend it just past our left before we pull it across our chest and extend it out to our right side. Bring it all the way back through and repeat. Rolling onto our left side, knees bent, right arm extended. Bring that left hand out just past our right and pull it across our chest, opening out to our left side. Next, we're going to move into a threaded needle twist. Starting on our hands and knees, let's slide our left arm between our right hand and right knee, bringing our left shoulder down to the mat. Then we're going to place our right hand on our right ear and twist our torso as far as we can, bringing the elbow up towards the ceiling. Switching sides, right hand slides between the left hand and knee, resting our right shoulder on the mat. Left hand comes up behind the left ear and twist. Now let's come up, keeping our right knee on the mat. We're going to extend our left leg in front of us like a lunge position, as well as extend both arms in front of us with our hands together. Then we're going to open, bringing our right hand out over our back foot, feeling that nice twist. And then we'll close, bringing our hands back together in front of us and repeat. Let's bring our left knee to the mat and our right leg in front of us, extend those arms, and open to our left side. Awesome job, guys. This should have you feeling loosened up. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and share my workouts with your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, as well as check out this channel for all kinds of follow-along workouts. Take care, everyone. I will see you all again soon.